flood warning for southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, north central Montgomery County in central Maryland, south central Carroll County in north central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates that over 1 inch of rain has already fallen across portions of the warned area near and just north of Damascus. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Damascus, Eldersburg, Gammer, Green Valley, Mount Airy, New Market, Oakland, and Sykesville. Most flash flood deaths